Hi Kingsmill, welcome back. We are having another update on our fitness center renovation project. We have a lot of exciting updates to show you this week. Come on through, we'll start talking about them and show you the highlights about what's going on. We are literally entering the building from a window, an exterior window, so that's pretty cool. On our main cardio floor here, all the windows have been taken out with new framing installed. One of the things we've talked about on some of the old videos is the heights of the windows across the building were all different height levels. So those have all been cleaned up, resurfaced, and now they're the same height level as you go across the building. This is going to be a gorgeous view with the open, clean windows, a little bit bigger. We're going to clean out the landscaping up there and really provide a world-class view as you're going and using our cardio equipment. Then we make our way back into our fitness studios and our yoga studios. The windows on the left have all been blown out. This is a brand new double door that's going to lead outside to a new patio for workout, stretching, yoga. It's going to be a nice pad with turf that overlooks kind of that same resort entrance there. Going to be a beautiful area that's connected to this exact yoga studio. 4 additional windows have gone in. Will create great light and ambience in here. And then in our second studio, we added 4 exterior windows as well for more natural light. Those are all brand new windows that are going to go in. So pretty cool exterior updates there. Come on through. Got a few more updates to show you. All right, so now we're looking back into the men's locker room. The plumbing and drainage for the showers and wet suite facilities is in, ready to go. It's been inspected, so we're excited to close this up, concrete this back up, and then starts the rest of the locker room renovation. Super exciting here. Throughout the top of the building, we've had a lot more ductwork placed, a lot more HVAC routing, really starting to come along. And then one of the cooler parts of this project, we moved the fitness wall to the opposite side of the stairs, so that is framed, and the rooms downstairs are framed and ready to go. Beautiful new space down here. This is going to set up to be our private training studio. So we're going to have all the equipment brought up from the floor. We're going to have additional equipment here, and our fitness instructors are going to provide one-on-one training sessions down here within this space, and it opens up to the back as well. Beautiful looking space. Excited to get down here. New HVAC was routed, AC units routed, so the area will be temperature controlled. As we get into the pool area, the painting is now complete. They painted the entire building. They painted the cross beams, new lights going in, new pool tiles going in, new pool mechanicals going in. Pretty dang exciting. The rest of the scaffolding will come down next week to start that work. So it's been a great couple of weeks here at the fitness center. It's wild to believe We got 2 days left in September, got about 93 days left until the new year. It's going to be a sprint for us, but we're excited to put the pedal down and continue showing you updates at our new fitness center. Thanks, Kingsville.